है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और आज आप लोगों से बात करेंगे मार्केट हाईलाइट सेंसेक्स सेटल्स 250 PTS लोअर आफ्टर choppy session. Nifty below 25,750. Trent drops 4%. LNT 3%. Sensex with Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian stock index lower on Tuesday after staging a brief morning flourish only to unravel just as quickly, leaving investor nursing sharp intraday losses and a renewal sense of the unease to the BSE Sensex tumbled as much as 933 points from it is the day's peak, while the Nifty 50 slid more than 1%, rising raised 2.6 lakhs crore in market value as selling pressures intensive through the session. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. The Sensex, which touched an intraday high of 84,258.03, slipped to a low of 83,324.84. The Nifty fell from its peak of 25,899.80 to an intraday low of 25,627.40 at the day in the Sensex was down 250 points or 0.3% to close at 83,627.69, while the Nifty declined 58 points or 0.22% to end the day at 25,732. Sensex sits over 900 points from day's peak. Nifty slumps 1%, rests 3 lakhs crore. Vanish. Here are the key factors behind the stock market decline. 1. Profit taking in heavyweight stock. 2. Crowd impact. 3. Field sellings. 4. Rupees weakness. 5. Technical indicator flag fragile momentums. ICICI Prudential Life of Q3 result PAT jumps 19% YoY to raise 397 crore. Net premium income drops 4%. Bharat Cooking Coil IPO GMP live updates issue. Subscribe for 130x so far. Check GMP and expert view. Global market updates. S&P 500 feature with little sales as of 6:53 am. London time. Nasdaq 100 feature fell 0.1%. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index rose 0.9%. Hong Kong sales rose 0.6%. The Shanghai Composite fell 0.7%. Euro Stock 50 feature rose 0.3%. दोस्तों आज सब लोगों से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं निफ्टी 50 के बारे में और स्टॉक मार्केट का बारे में और जो स्टॉक मार्केट का लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ इस बारे में आप लोगों से डिस्कस करें। थैंक यू।